friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Devo's Tech Guide. Today I am going to talk about the optical mouse from the Dell. It is Dell uh, MS 116 mouse. It is good for ordinary use, daily purpose. You can plug in it with laptop or desktop as you want, and the cost is very much low. It is 250 rupees just from Amazon or Flipkart. I have bought this two mouse from Amazon at 250 rupees each. So now I'm going to unbox this mouse. You can see here the box is very good condition. Now I just open the mouse to check how it works. Okay, so let's open. Yes, the box is very hard and it is in very good condition. Now open this box to see the mouse, and it is from Dell. That doesn't mean it is compatible with only Dell laptop or desktop, but it is compatible with every type of laptop or desktop, as it has the USB port. Here is the warranty, 3 years warranty and manual, and it is the mouse you can see here. So now I just open it and I will plug in my laptop so to see how it works. So let's plug in. Okay, now this mouse working fine. You can see here the pointer. Now just depress the laptop. Okay, so it is very good, slightly bigger, but you can hold in hand very easily and not very much weightful. It is less in weight. The scroll is also very good. Now check for the scroll. The size is very good and good for holding in hand. Now check for the scroll. Yes, it also working fine. Scroll is also fine. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel.